Today I'm going to show you how to clone a VM in Servecentric Enterprise Cloud. To do so, select Compute on the left hand side. Here I have a Ubuntu desktop web server that I'd like to copy. Select it and select Clone. Let's give the web server a new name. We can make as many copies as we like here, and we can additionally select Auto Start if we want. Click Yes. This is now copied CPU, the RAM, networking and the disk of web server 2 to a new web server 3. If we select this VM and restart it, we can now go into the VM, open a VNC tunnel to it, and then open a new tab with displaying the VNC. Your server is now up and running.